Retable offers over 30 types of columns, from the simplest basics to the most advanced and premium ones, all customizable to fit your unique needs. Retable's columns allow you to effortlessly customize your data for your specific needs. Each column type is designed with the flexibility to tailor your database for precise, efficient, and organized data management. By leveraging these column types, users can craft a database structure not only meets their specific data entry needs, but also enhances data visualization and analysis, streamlining workflows and decision-making processes. Whether you're compiling a simple contact list or managing complex project workflows, Retable's column types equip you with the tools to create a robust, intuitive, and comprehensive data management system. Now let's dive into Retable's various column types and explore the uses. Starting with the basics, these columns are the fundamental elements for any data you want to organize and manage. From text to ratings, we'll guide you through each type and how to make the most of them for efficient data management. Within your Retable project, you'll add columns by selecting the appropriate type from the Add New Column menu. You will see that there are many column types for your unique uses. Let's see all the column types and how you can use and customize them. The text column is essential for inputting any kind of alphabetic data. It accommodates both single-line and multi-line text, suitable for a variety of data entry needs. The number column is where you can input numeric data. It comes with an option to allow negative numbers, providing a complete range for your quantitative data entry. You can also change the number format as integer and decimal. The checkbox column offers a binary choice, checked or unchecked. It's as simple as clicking to toggle the state, which is perfect for tracking completion or status. For adding visual context, the image column supports various image formats. You can upload and display images directly within your sheet. You also have the option to upload multiple images. The attachment column allows you to upload and store a range of file types from PDFs to zip files and also MOV format. It's a versatile tool for keeping your documents organized. Manage events and deadlines with the date and time column. It features an interactive calendar and format options with the added ability to include specific times. You can also choose the date format you like. The color column adds visual cues to your data through color coding. Select from a spectrum of colors to categorize or prioritize data entries. Use the email column to store and validate email addresses. It ensures format correctness and provides quick access to your default email application for immediate communication. The phone number column stores contact numbers in a consistent format and can integrate with your device's calling function for immediate dialing. You can choose the country code you wish. Input percentage data efficiently in the percent column. It adds the percent symbol automatically, streamlining data related to performance metrics or growth measurements. You can choose between integer and decimal and can choose the placement. Also, select this if you want to use a color progress bar option will show your progress in a colored bar. Financial data finds its place in the currency column, which formats numeric values into currency, complete with customizable symbols and placement options. You can choose between integer and decimal, currency symbol and placement of them, and can also make preset settings. Categorize and standardize your data with the Select Options column. It provides a list of predefined options for consistent data entry across your dataset. Addition to single selection, you can add multiple options and select between them. The rating column lets you assign values visually with stars, ideal for feedback or evaluation process. That's a wrap on Retable's basic column types. With these tools at your disposal, you can create a well-organized and visually engaging spreadsheet tailored to your data management needs. In the next video, we're gonna look at advanced column types.